10 in. Now, when we get 10 in, this is what's gonna make you better. Boom, bam, get back. Same thing. Bam, bam. You're gonna bring that foot with you. So here, bam, bam, bring this foot with you. Here, okay? But make it smooth. Make it roll out. That's it.
Hold on.
So
make it smooth.
So yeah, real. We trying to get up. Okay. Make it smooth. Instead of, because it's gonna make how it's holding you.
Yeah.
It's gonna make it do like that. Smooth. You know what I mean? Yeah. We want to really exaggerate that. Rip. That rip. Get a hand that ripping that they don't let go.
I really like when somebody coming towards me. I really like pop them and just throw them. Because when you pop them, all they do is stand up and then run back already, so you're going to hit them.
You're going to hit them. That's good. But sometimes you may not be able to do them, depending on where they catch you at and the angle. So, so you may have to throw the rip in. Say they got you right here, and you got the angle with the running back, and the running back didn't use that alignment correctly. You ain't got to throw him out the way, because he already out the way. You just trying to get through them hands on him, feel me? You already got the angle on the what? Player. You're just trying to rip through. There's no need for you to put your hands on him. You see what I'm saying? You guys get 10 straight and jump right back and play through it. You want to get these in. All right. Go. Go. Good job. Go. How many is that? 3? 4. Go. Good job. Okay? Just a little bit. I'll go with you a little bit. I'll take a little less out. I kind of go with you. Go. Now, here's the jerk. Hit. Need a jerk. I need to be fast. I like it fast. Okay? Quickest man, best man. You ain't gonna know what to do with your tricks because you're gonna be strong. Quicker you are, faster you are, it's gonna be easy to you. You'll see what I'm talking about. Okay? It's gonna be easy to you. Last one. Let me switch on. Go. I'm gonna start bringing music back in too. I'm gonna bring radio, man. You get down and dirty, man. Mine is Gator style, all right? You get Gator style out here. They don't know nothing about that in the crib. Go. 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 Good job. Go. And what I do is, when you pull up, I'm pulling back. Just do it, all right? All right, now. How many we got? 4? Did we get 10? Let's get 4 more. Use your left arm, right? Get 2 extra ones in with this one. Let's get 6 more in with this, okay? Go. Go. Yeah. Gotta have that jerk. That's what I'm talking about. Get that jerk quick. Go. Jerk. All right. Jerk. All right. Look. Jerk. Okay. Quick. Quick. Quick move. Should be light and fast. First steps. Go. 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 How that feel? How that feel? You felt it? I can feel it. No. Is it a little tough? Okay. I won't pull it back. I just let you do it, okay? Now I'll just maintain it. Good job. Go.